Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Device, language, and region match the language you want for Google Pay prompts. Once done, open the Google Pay app and make sure you're signed into the account that uses the sound box. Tap your profile icon in the top right, then immediately tap Settings to access payment and notification preferences. This first action gets you to the menus where sound and accessibility options live. It's the critical doorway to change the spoken language behavior. You now navigate the settings menu to find the voice controls. Once inside, look for accessibility, notifications, or sound and voice. Google Pay sometimes nests options differently by version. Tap the text-to-speech or voice setting, then select the TTS engine, Google Text-to-Speech recommended, and pick your desired language. Make sure to download any language pack if prompted. You should adjust speech rate for clarity and play the sample audio to verify the sound box will speak in the language you selected. Finish by saving changes and then restarting the Google Pay app. If the language still doesn't update, reboot the device to ensure system TTS reloads. You should perform a test transaction or use the app's test sound option to confirm the sound box speaks the new language. If problems persist, make sure the TTS engine is updated, clear Google Pay cache, or reinstall the app. One key troubleshooting tip: check that system-level language packs are installed. Missing packs are the most common cause of no audio language change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.